Welcome to this getting started guide for Node Ninja. Now to start throwing some Ninja stars, we need to install. And to do that, we're gonna go to Edit Preferences, open your Preferences folder by clicking that button. And then when you download and unzip the file that you download, what you're gonna do is go into this plugins folder and drag and drop the School Motion folder into this plugins folder with all of this stuff in it. So this is what it should look like inside your plugins folder. And very important, you are going to restart Cinema 4D, okay? And if you install correctly, in your extensions dropdown, you'll see School Motion, Node Ninja, and Node Surgeon. So we're gonna go grab Node Ninja, and this will ask you whether you want to import your texture sets using UV projection or triplanar. Now we can choose one or the other, but we can actually easily change this to existing materials using the Node Surgeon, so just remember that. So let's just go and import, and we can either import all these folders at once without selecting a single folder, or we can select a single folder with single texture sets in here, like this aerial grass rock, and you'll see that's what's in this folder right here. So I'll go ahead and say, okay, select that folder. You'll see that, okay, we got 5 maps connected. Click OK. And if we open this, let's apply this to our shader ball here, you'll see what Node Ninja did was a whole bunch of things. Number one, it connected all of our texture sets together, even brought in the ambient occlusion, plugged it into a color layer, used the correct blending mode to blend it into our albedo. It brought in your normal map and chose the correct type of normal. So we have DX and GL. GL is the one that works with redshift, so it even did that. And it imported all of our materials using the correct color space. So you'll see the ambient occlusion, normal, and displacement all are using the raw color space, and everything can be connected using this UV context projection node. So if I fire up the IPR here, if we want to change the tiling, the offset, the rotation, we can do it all from here because this will adjust everything upstream, okay, which is really cool. So we can adjust the tiling here to make the texturing smaller. We can adjust the rotation, pivot, offset, all that kind of good stuff. So if we want to import multiple materials, that's super easy. We'll go to School of Motion, Node Ninja. We'll bring in the UV projection again, and we'll go up a level. Now we can either select this folder and click select folder, or we can go into that folder and not select any folder, and that will actually recognize all the texture sets that are within that folder level and bring them all in. So I'll click yes. It'll notice there is a duplicate, and you can replace it, you can duplicate, or you can skip. We'll just replace, and you'll see, okay, it batch imported all of these texture sets. So you can see here are all of our different materials here, which is super cool. Apply the brown leather, and again, you will see all of the texture sets are set up and using that UV context projection node. So super easy. Now, if you happen to be using an older version of Cinema 4D, we still got you, because if you install Node Ninja, what it will do is it'll give you the old way of doing this before context projection nodes even existed. So you can choose whether you want UV projection, triplanar, and whether you want master scale controls or offset or rotation. So let's just go and use master scale and UVW, and we will go to, let's choose Bark Willow, select the folder, we'll click OK, and you'll see that this is not using the UV context projection node, but it's using the value node. That was the old way of controlling multiple materials, and you can see it's plugged into all of our different scales on all of our different textures here. So this will control your scale and the X and the Y. Now, if you wanted to edit this to change it to something else or edit multiple materials, what you're gonna do is select your material or materials, go to School Motion, and go to Node Surgeon. And this will allow you to basically edit the projection and the scale controls of any material. So if we want to change this to triplanar and then also add in the offset, we can apply that and it will edit that material. And if we open this now, let's first apply this, and I open this, and now you'll see we have this triplanar control that has our triplanar scale and our triplanar offset, controlling all of the things here. So super easy. Node Ninja allows you to adjust nodes, import texture sets at the click of a button, and do so no matter what version of Cinema 4D you are using. So have fun throwing them Ninja stars and enjoy.